Don't you hate when you leave your project car just sitting there collecting dust, then you want to go drive it? You gotta get these things. Then you have to find another car, you know, or this is your daily and it dies. What do? Well, instead of using those old style jumper cables, getting in their vehicle, you pick up one of these AUXITO jump boxes. This little battery box right here will jump start any car, any truck. Got 100% light on the back end. Also, you can use it as a battery bank. Type C in and out to charge it and to charge your phones. Also USB if you have like a laptop or something else that uses USB to charge. And you got your positive, negative terminals right here. Easy to use. Just plug it in right here. Make sure your negative goes to your negative, positive goes to positive. Power it up. Hit start. Just like that. Now you can go drive your project car.